Hi there. Can you imagine that a company which actually sells you a packed sugared water with some added soda is able to generate some billion-dollar profits every year? I'm talking about a company called Coca-Cola. Everybody knows, right? But do you know the reason or the secret behind this mammoth of success? It's actually their remarkable marketing strategies which helps the company to gain these heights. Now, according to our data, alone in 2019, Coca-Cola spent nearly $4.24 billion on advertising, and in the past 5 years it has already spent $20 billion. So here in this video we'll try to see 3 such marketing strategies which actually help the company to attract a huge chunk of money for years. And the third one down this list is actually very interesting, so wait for that. So let us start with the first one. Way back in 2013, Coca-Cola came up with this very interesting idea of promoting love, peace and harmony between India and Pakistan, and promoting brilliantly their brand along with. So here in this video we can see how smartly Coke was able to tap the sentimental part of both the countries, and turns out to be what most of the people were actually willing to be a part of this social cause, or at least being associated with this. So the next we have in the list is the Hug Me campaign by Coke. So here in this campaign, Coke actually installed few vending machines at some public places like schools and colleges, and these machines were actually programmed in such a way that they would release a free can of Coke once they are hugged gently. So basically there were this lever or some buttons attached towards the side walls of this machine, and once they were pressed simultaneously, the machine would release you a free can of Coke. Now, the cherry on the cake was, even though people were very fascinated to get that free Coke in this interesting way, they were also very fascinated to show their families and friends about this unique method of getting the free Coke. So what they did was they actually took videos and photos and they shared on their social media handles, which actually went viral. And just in a span of a week, the company was able to generate 8 million plus views. So here we land on a third campaign. And the reason I was telling you this to be some extraordinary, because the kind of brainstorming it would have required to pull this idea off. Now, just watch this video and we'll talk again.
To get more people to try Coke Zero, we created an entire campaign that they could literally drink. First, we built a billboard that served real Coke Zero to thousands of fans. Then, we poured Coke Zero to people all over the country.
Your TV is about to pour you a Coke Zero.
This is a drinkable commercial.
We partnered with Shazam and created a new way of using their technology.
Shazam now to drink it.
By Shazamming the spot, the Coke Zero from the screen was poured right into people's phones, whether they were at home, at a concert, or among 80,000 people at the NCAA final game. Every interaction ended with a free Coke Zero that could be redeemed at major retail stores across the US. Even when there was no screen, we poured Coke Zero using just sound. From ads that became cups, to flyers that became straws, to tweets that poured Coke Zeros in 140 characters, to drinkable posters that use Shazam to turn people's phones into digital straws. Every single ad put a Coke Zero in people's hands. So next time you're thirsty, drink an ad.
So you see how technologically oriented this whole campaign was. So now you know how crucial a good marketing strategy can be for a tremendous growth of a company. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye-bye.